Hello everyone, welcome. So today I'm going to talk about emerging technologies and competitive career platforms. So this slides is basically for those who are the student of IT, and if you are not the student of IT, also you can see these slides. So it have the emerging technologies and competitive career platforms. It may be wonderful to you. So let's talk about it. Content. So we have the content here: emerging technologies, career challenges, platforms, and at last work motivation in life. So let's talk about it. The 30 technologies of the next decade. So what I have done is I have done some research and compiled all this into one slide. Okay, so let's talk about it. AI, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, mobile, social internet, blockchain, big data, automation, robots, immersive media, mobile technologies, cloud computing, 3D printing, 12CR, energy tech, cyber security, voice assistant, nanotechnology, collaborative tech, healthcare, human-computer interaction, geospatial tech, advanced materials, new touch interface, wireless power, clean tech, quantum computing, smart city, edge computing, fast better internet, and proximity tech, and the last one is new screens. Take time and look at these new technologies, which will be the next generation technologies. So some of things that we already know, like 5G or Li-Fi, as well as blockchain, big data, cloud computing. So most of them are already has been done. So the next one is, let's go to the next slide. So emerging technologies. So look at this. Do you know Sophia? Maybe it looked like we're both at the CES. Want to meet up and say hi? I need some makeup tips, So this is Sophia has tweeted this. So it means, let's know that we are in the huge and next generation technologies. So let's go further. We have the Sophia here, and here is, you can see that. What are your favorite books for the holidays? Sci-fi sessions are welcomes. So this she have done joke. So the career challenges. So let's see the career challenges. The Chinese Ministry of Education said Wednesday that a total of 8.2 million college students were expected to graduate in 2018. So this is the old data, facing great challenges to find jobs. So these are the career challenges. So it means a lot of the people are going to graduate. This is the 2020, and sorry to say that the coronavirus has been disturbed. So please stay safe on this. So I have made this video because we have to continue learning even there will be the crisis, because the learning gives the people broad-minded and it keeps helping people. So let's talk about the career challenges. So these are the data which I have done it overall. So these all are the old data, since I have made this 2 years ago. So I am sharing this now. So let's talk about the problems for fresh graduates. So this is the thing. Living in a pipe dream, lack of maturity, bad self-promotion, inflated expectation, no work experience, no reliable network. So these are the most of the problem the fresh graduate faces. So living a pipe dream means it's like when I will graduate, I will get this money, I will get this. So these are all the different pipe dreams. So lack of maturity. Sometimes lack of maturity, bad self promotions, they promote badly. So like they want to go to work and they went to work, they have done something bad because they didn't know how to do the things correctly, and I think it's because they are fresh graduates. So inflated expectation, no work experience, they didn't have the experience, and that thing sucks, right? If we go for the job in the fresh graduates and they ask for the experience, they didn't give a job and ask for the experience. If they give a job and then only we will get experience, right? No reliable network. So because of the fresh graduates, so because of that the network is poor, means the communication network. So platforms, there are lots of platforms. I have done here Python, Java, C#, DBMS, SQL, MySQL, and like PHP, Laravel, and there are lots of the framework, and now JavaScript is emerging lots. So there are lots of platforms you can work on. The thing is, it's keep fluctuating. So the two things I didn't have seen fluctuating. One is the Java, another is Python. So these two are the main, they didn't fluctuate usually, and nowadays but nowadays JavaScript is more popular, let me remind you. So these are the things, the data, network and computer system admins, so job growth forecast, software developers, applications, software networks. So these all are the forecast. So what you are going to choose, so it's up to you which path you will choose. And the thing is, because of this coronavirus, this type of virus came, and it's so bad for us. We are all working from home as well. We are in home, and there are a lot of losses. But the thing is, this IT field, so this IT field will grow rapidly because of this also, because of this. So the thing is, we have to be innovative. We have to go for health and technology, combining both. We have to go for it, and AI obviously. So what motivation in life? Ask questions. So these are the things that people always say to you. Ask questions, be honest, clear communication, clear thinking, maintain the high say-do rate, work hard and keep it simple, listen and be a team. These are all the things, but I will say only one thing, and that thing is, go on those things or those platforms which you feel like home. I mean to say, which you feel so much playful, which you feel so much happy, which you feel interesting. Just keep it one. So if you keep one framework or like one platforms and keep on going on digging on that, you'll definitely get your path. Okay. So the thing is, confusion, chaos generated by anger leads to memory loss. Never lose the focus and never underestimate the virtue of passion. This is the Bhagwad Gita says. So this is one of the interesting thing that I have took from the Bhagwad Gita. The confusion and chaos generated by anger leads to memory loss. Never lose the focus and never underestimate the virtue of patience. So you have to be patient. You have to be patient. So the thing is, you have to, the IT should be patient. The IT students or the IT persons have to be and have to work on the patience, and you know, right, everything about the coding and all the things. So this is the Jack Ma says, I try to make myself happy, no, because I know that if I am not happy, my colleagues are not happy, and my shareholders are not happy, and my customers are not happy. The thing is, what you are happy doing it, do it. That's the thing. So last thing here, if you don't give up, you still have a chance. Giving up is the greatest failure, Jack Ma. So this is the lovely one. So the thing is, keep calm and never give up. Thank you so much, and I hope you all are working from home, or if you are the student, you are studying from the home. And please stay at home and keep learning and be safe. Thank you so much. We'll meet soon.